talking face, so what? I'm a numb nigga, chop on me with a drum nigga, run up on me, you a dumb nigga, shoot shit up, Molly in my.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, man, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chill Will, and I post style, streetwear, and fashion content on this channel with gym content on the side and vlogs here and there. You know what I'm saying? And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got an Amazon find slash unboxing slash review on a Spider-Man beanie that I just ordered off of Amazon. Graphic beanies have been trending the past few weeks, you know, and I thought I might as well order me one before they all get sold out and TikTok hyped them up a little bit. So yeah, I know I could have made this as a YouTube short, but I just thought might as well give you a full review on it on an actual video. So yeah, before we get into the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you do not miss when I post. We're almost at 4K. We're trying to hit 10K before the summer. I know y'all can do it, but without further ado, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That will be in the link tree in the description. And let's get into the video. Let's go. Alright, yeah, so hopefully y'all can hear me pretty well. Got the mic right here, so we're mic'd up today. I'm gonna be talking while I'm opening the package because it's an Amazon package. I got this from Amazon. I ordered it on Amazon Prime, so y'all should know the shipping was about 3 days max. Y'all know how Amazon Prime is. Pricing was 20 bucks. So yeah, that's the pricing and shipping right there. And this is how the beanie is looking right here. It comes in this clear thing that has a little marble stick on the inside, and this is how it's looking. It's one of them beanies that folds and you can unfold it, and I don't know if you can see through the eyes through here. I don't think so, but it has eyes underneath. So yeah, and it's a pretty big beanie from what it's looking like, so that's really good because I got a beanie and some beanies don't look right on my head because like they're really tight, but this one looks like it's pretty big. So we're gonna pop it open. Okay, so oh my god, this is actually tough. So this is how it's looking. Got the eyes right here, but what I didn't think it was, but now like looking at it, it has the knitting, so you can pull this down as a full mask and actually see through. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna give you a quick little B-roll, and then I'll get right back to you. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, that's how it looked on me. It fit me perfectly. I actually really like this hat, and I might order the black Miles Morales one too. This is how it's looking. Like I said, y'all can see through it like a mask too, so it's a really fire beanie in my opinion. Like I said, $20. Amazon Prime, they also have a black one like Miles Morales too, so if y'all want to go copy it, it's $20. Only took 2 days to ship, 2 to 3 days. So yeah, go get you one before everybody starts hopping on the wave. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Like I said, I know this was a really short one. I know I could have made it a YouTube short, but I don't know, I feel like the YouTube video vibe was better than just a YouTube short. I feel like y'all can interact with me a little more. So if y'all like the video, you know, make sure to leave a like if I put y'all on. So leave a like, that will help me out a lot. Comment if y'all want me to order some more beanies like this and do reviews on them, so y'all can know if y'all want to buy it before y'all do. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you don't miss when I post. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Go.